Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Davis here. We're on day 1 of our new Developing Talkers book called The Moon. This week, we are going to read this book, The Moon. I love all sorts of books, but I love informational books because they teach us true facts. And I'm going to teach you 2 new words for the week, or for the day, excuse me. Say this word after me, surface. The surface is the top part or outer part of something. The grass in this picture is on the earth's surface. Imagine you are mowing the yard. Say, the grass grows on the surface. Your turn. The grass grows on the surface. This word is object. Repeat. An object is something you can see and touch, but it's not alive. The sink is full of objects that you use in the kitchen, like pots, forks, and plates. Imagine you have just finished eating breakfast. Wash the dishes and say, I'll put these objects away. Let's pretend. Now you say, let's put these objects away. Good, your turn. Very good. Boys and girls, as we read today, there's a guided question I want you to think about. And I want you to think about, what is the moon like? So as I read, I want you to think about, what is the moon like? And we'll talk about it after I read the book. This page has a table of contents. It tells us the different things the book is going to teach us about the moon. And on what page? I see that I can learn about exploring the moon on page 20. Very good. The moon. The moon is the brightest object in the night sky. It reflects the sun's light. The moon is the brightest object that we can see at night. An object is something you can see and touch, but it's not alive. The moon seems to change shapes during the month. The moon can look round like a circle, or it can look narrow like a banana. The moon and the earth. The moon is the Earth's satellite. It moves around the Earth once each month. The same side of the moon is always facing the Earth. Look at this diagram. It shows how the moon goes around the Earth. Hold up one hand and pretend it's the Earth. Hold up the other hand and pretend it's the moon, and make it go around the Earth. Good. Just like that. Well done. The moon shines brightly at the night. It looks lighter in the day. The moon is much smaller than the earth. If the earth were a tennis ball, the moon would be the size of a marble. The moon's surface. Gray dust and rocks cover the moon. The moon's surface is rough. Look at this photograph. It shows us the surface of the moon. The surface is the top or outer part of something. How does the moon's surface look? Yeah, it looks really, really rough and bumpy, doesn't it? Yeah. Craters make the moon's surface bumpy. These holes are formed when objects hit the moon. The moon is not like Earth. The moon has no air or water. The sky is always black. Exploring the moon. Astronauts have landed on the moon 6 times. They gather rocks and soil to study. What an interesting photograph. It makes me ask myself a question. I'm wondering how the astronaut feels. Does this page make you wonder anything? Does this page make you wonder anything? Yeah. It makes me wonder how they walk on the moon. Good. Boys and girls, as we were reading, you were thinking about, what is the moon like? What is the sky always like where the moon is? That's right. It's always black. Good. What is the surface of the moon like? It's rough and bumpy. Very good. You had to listen and remember to answer that guided question, boys and girls. When you listen and remember, you pay special attention to important things the author says and try to remember them. Good. Let's review our words. This word is object. Repeat. There's an object is something you can see and touch, but it's not alive. There are a few things that are alive in this picture. What thing in this picture is not an object? Is the fork an object? Yes. What about the goldfish? No, the fish is living. It's not an object. What about the soap? Is it an object? Yes. What about these plants? Are they objects or are they living? That's right. They are living. Very good. This word is surface. Repeat. The surface is the top or outer part of something. The grass is growing on the earth's surface. Can you think of any animals that live under the ground's surface? What are some animals that live under the ground's surface? That's right. Sometimes rabbits make holes under the earth's surface. Gophers live under the earth's surface. Groundhogs, those are animals that live under the earth's surface. What about birds? They live under the earth's surface? No. But sometimes bugs and worms live under the earth's surface. Very good. I hope you enjoyed that book, and we'll see you back tomorrow for day 2. Bye.